The wait is finally over. A new phase for Tesla has just begun. Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas has opened, marking a big step towards the future. It has taken a long time to kickstart this project and to start the production of the electric Cybertruck. The opening of this Gigafactory is the latest addition to the company's increasing list of worldwide locations. Tesla CEO Elon Musk does everything in style. It's only natural that his company's launch party would be one of a kind, which it was. He hosted a Cyber Rodeo opening party on April 7th. Who would have guessed? Elon Musk delivered an impassioned speech, predicting the new plant would produce at least 500,000 vehicles every year. The Texas plant would produce the Model Y electric vehicles. You would think it looks like a typical Tesla model, but these vehicles are a huge step forward in terms of design and technology. Tesla has been outspoken about climate change, oil prices, and the future of electric vehicles. Tesla's long-awaited Cybertruck is also scheduled to be produced at the Texas factory. Musk unveiled the Cybertruck model along with a new roadster vehicle. He also promised that there would be a robotaxi too, which would be very futuristic, but he didn't go into too much detail. As of now, all we can do is use our imagination. The facility in Texas is built to be as efficient as possible. You are mistaken if you believe that this plant will simply produce vehicles. This plant will also develop the humanoid robot Optimus. Yes, you heard that correctly. Since its introduction, Musk has bragged about this robot, and he seems optimistic about it. According to him, this robot will change the way we think about the economy. It will be able to perform tasks that humans are incapable of. It will take us into a golden period. It's difficult to believe at this time, but Musk insisted that Optimus will be safe and will not be like the Terminator. That's a sigh of relief. If everything goes according to plan, then it will have a greater impact on the globe than electric vehicles. Optimus is expected to go into production next year, but major projects have often taken longer than expected. As a result of all these tremendous projects, the plant will be enormous as well. Prepare yourselves, since the scale of this factory will be tough to comprehend. It spans 2,500 acres along the Colorado River, with a factory floor area of more than 10 million square feet. To put it another way, that's about the size of a 100-foot soccer field. Yes, imagine that. According to Elon Musk, the facility can accommodate 194 billion hamsters. The most incredible aspect is that this achievement came less than 2 years after Musk announced that the company's next Gigafactory would be located in Austin. This factory will increase the production capacity of Tesla. The enterprise will also employ 5,000 people. However, the road has not been easy. Tesla has to contend with several challenges. Local environmentalists attempted to stop Tesla's Cyber Rodeo celebration. They expressed their concern that if this facility is built, it will cause traffic congestion, dust, and water pollution. Environmental groups have also criticized the corporation at its Berlin factory. Concerns have also been raised about the Gigafactory's placement along the Colorado River, which could result in an environmental disaster if the river overflows its banks. Tesla's objective, on the other hand, is to facilitate the world's transition towards sustainable energy by making electric vehicles affordable. Through creative manufacturing, optimization, and waste reduction, the cost of battery cells will drop once the Gigafactory begins mass production. As the price of the battery drops, so does the price of the final product, allowing more people to purchase Tesla vehicles. This will enable Tesla to have the greatest possible impact on the environment. But it is not only words. Tesla is proving its point in action too, as it will be the world's largest renewable energy-powered building to reach net zero energy. It's only the start, and Tesla will undoubtedly reveal more information. There's also the question of how many vehicles they'll be able to produce. But one thing is certain, the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas will produce incredible results and will generate more curiosity for electric vehicles. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.